Today I'm going to show you how to set your sound preference on every prompt completion in Base44. This is a quick settings change, but it can make a big difference if you want audio feedback every time a prompt finishes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Base44 tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, look at the bottom left corner of your Base44 dashboard and click the profile icon. This is where your account and app settings are stored. Once the menu opens, click Settings. That will take you into the main settings area for your Base44 account. Next, on the left-hand navigation bar, click Preferences. This section controls how Base44 behaves and what options are enabled for your workspace and prompt experience. After that, scroll until you find the Sound Preferences section. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that controls when sound is triggered in the app. Click the drop-down under Sound Preferences, and from the list of options, select On Every Prompt Completion. This setting tells Base44 to play sound each time a prompt finishes, so you get a clear audio cue without needing to check manually. Once you've selected it, your preference should be saved automatically. If not, just make sure the setting remains selected before leaving the page. And that's it, you've now set sound to play on every prompt completion in Base44. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Base44 guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.